This is the HUAWEI Watch GT4 and we want to set up a new dial for it. We have the HUAWEI Watch GT4 here and we want to set up a new dial for it. There are two methods for this. Once directly over the watch and the second method over your smartphone. We do the first method over our watch and then we show you how it works over the smartphone. For this you just have to swipe from top to bottom and then you have the settings here. Here you click on this gear symbol and very important for us is watch face and start screen. We have to go in there now and then watch face. This is what this point is called. And here are the most diverse dials. Unfortunately, there are not very many here, but we will show you over the smartphone. There are more than enough. There are really a lot of them. So here are different, but not very many. Here is the standard and if you want to set one, just tap on it and you have already set this dial as you can see here. But as already mentioned, we want more cooler dials and for that we now have to go to our smartphone. And with that we come to the second method and here you just open the app. Then you click on devices below and now your watch appears. Here you now have the watch faces, i.e. the background images. Then you click on more and here are different categories, namely new, popular and free. We want free, you can of course also popular or the others. If we look at it, you will automatically see the prices here, what they cost from €2 to of course more. As I said, we want the free ones, so we go back and say free. And here you can see everything that is free and there are really a lot and very cool dials. You can see how many there are here, so you can really make the most of it and you can download any of them here. I'm going to download any of them now so you can see how it works. Now take this one, that looks cool, simple digital. All I need to do is click on install and it will be downloaded and installed at the same time. It only takes a few seconds and you can see the difference right away, what it looks like after it is installed. Depending on how big the app is, it takes a few seconds. So and you see the app is already installed here and we can get started and have the great new app here where we can set everything up. If you have any questions about this tutorial, then use the comment function, subscribe to our channel, then you are up to date. Thank you for watching and goodbye.